English language test for UK visas. Today's video update is about the requirement of English language for UK immigration applications. Please keep in mind that passing the English language condition is obligatory for specific UK visa types.
UK
single global
immigration system.
In many scenarios, this obligation can be fulfilled by one of the following conditions. The applicant is a national of a majority English-speaking country, in which instance the obligation is by itself fulfilled upon submitting a passport provided by a qualifying country. The applicant possess an academic qualification considered comparable to a UK bachelor's degree, or above where the language of instruction was English, or the applicant has undergone and passed a Home Office authorized English language test to the obligatory level. Many individuals choose to fulfill this obligation by means of the English language test. On the other hand, it is essential that the test you take fulfills the specific obligations of the UK immigration rules. In today's video, we have specified a general instructions of the English language obligations, which are as follows. What level is required for English language knowledge? If depending on an English language test, to fulfill the English language obligation, you will be required to make sure that you undergo the necessary UK Home Office authorized test at an approved test centre. Succeed the test with a score of no less than the minimum level obligated for the immigration category under which you are applying in each module of the test, where all modules of the test are taken in one sitting. Authorized UK Home Office English language tests can be sat at a variety of levels, from A1 to C2. The level of complexity that your English language test necessitates will rely on the visa route under which you are applying. So you must ensure to verify sensibly that your chosen test fulfills your particular visa obligations. If you are not sure about the level you are obligated to fulfill, please refer to the official government website, link mentioned below. Now, let's tell you, where can you get your English test done? Please keep in mind that the UK Home Office will only acknowledge test results from one of its authorized providers. Plus, there are a restricted number of test centres in the UK and overseas that can provide UK Home Office authorized certificates that will fulfill the English language obligation of your visa application. Sadly, if you depend on a test from an unapproved test provider to fulfill the English language obligation in your UK visa application, it is probable that your application will be declined. If you are not sure what provider to utilize to undergo your English language test, please refer to the links mentioned below. Are you wondering if your previous English language test be utilized for your next visa application? It is essential to note that, in some conditions, when you apply to prolong or change your leave in the UK, you may need a greater level of understanding of the English language. In such conditions, you may not be able to reutilize the test you took before in your new application, and you may be required to take a test at a more advanced level. For instance, you must take particular care checking the level of English language you are obligated to have when you apply for indefinite leave to remain. You may desire to mull over looking ahead to your next step towards settlement and take a more progressive test than obligated for your present application, so as to avoid taking a second test further down the line. Moreover, you should verify whether your test is still valid if either A lengthy period of time has passed between you passing the test and your new application for leave to the Home Office, or B, your prior test provider is no longer on the UK Home Office's list of authorized test providers. Lastly, let's discuss if there is anything else you should worry about the English language test. Conclusively, in specific situations, an applicant may be excused from having to fulfill the English language obligation, for instance, where the applicant is above 65 years or over, has a disability which stops them from fulfilling the obligation, or there are other exceptional circumstances. This is the end of today's video update. If you found this video update useful, then please comment below and share your opinion with us. Thanks for watching today's video update.